your last message to the 3 people that you met driving that VW vakakupa lift vakakusvitsai kwamaenda, assuming kuti vari kuona program today, mungade kuvati chii kwavari?
I want to thank them for offering me free transport. Be under circumstances of fear. They even never asked you to, who am I, whatever, things like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so I would want to thank them wherever they are. If they are still existing, I would even want to meet them. And just sit like we are here and say, thank you so much. You saved my life. You could have decided otherwise. That area was going to be very difficult to walk alone because there are plantations and the road, you can't get in the eye, so it was going to be difficult. So I would want to thank them. If they are still alive, they must recall sometime in 1978, they offered a lift to a comrade. I would want to meet them. And then, so obviously, then also those guys who gave me a dozen of I can't remember the delivery van then, but if they still remember sometime in Honda Valley where they gave a dozen of loaves to a
terrorist.
Please let them contact me and I'll be happy to meet them and give them back their bread.
Yeah, dozen. I did, yeah. No, Comrade Max.
And for the BNC bus, I want to apologize for the money. But I don't know how much it was then, but the currency has since changed. But
for these and more stories, tune in to Zim News Bit TV with Robert Tafumani.